Pick the Scout because it gives us the freedom to go really wherever we want, whenever we want.
First time I walked in one, I kind of fell in love and was like, I need this.
It was pretty obvious that the Scout was for me. I mean, the simplicity, flexibility, it just matched me perfectly.
The folks we've met really enjoy their Scouts, and we do too.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Scout Campers, and I'm here today at the second annual Owners Meetup in Yakima, Washington. Beautiful factory event here today, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then we're all going camping together on our Scout Campers, which will be awesome. Today we're having free service for our customers, so everybody's get their campers worked on and upgraded while we're here at this event. Seminars with engineering, service teams, but really looking forward to spending some time with our owners and a great day ahead.
This is our second open house we've held where we've invited our customers out here, not only to give them a glimpse behind the scenes on how our campers are made, but also to get feedback from them on our product. From a product development standpoint, that is absolutely invaluable information. Getting it directly from the source, being able to dig in and really understand what the customers want and find those opportunities for improvement so we can continue on our path of making the best campers.
We've brought the owners of the Scouts to come and take a look at what we're doing, how we're ensuring that their product meets the quality standards that we're going after. Operations focused on one thing, and it's quality. And we've seen a lot of excitement from the owners.
We had all the owners come in and sign up for service work that they needed, updates that they wanted, just little tweaks to their camper, just to make sure that everything is as it should be. I think everybody's leaving a happy camper.
We had a couple things they noticed and they fixed and got them taken care of quickly.
It's something that we like to see because now we make that connection with our customers that we're building these units for, and to be able to see the excitement on their end for the product that we're building, it just brings everything together for us. And we all take pride in what we're doing, and we want to make sure that we're building the very best that we can.
Coming to your plant, the manufacturing spot, it's awesome because, first of all, seeing everyone in the community of people, everyone's pretty like-minded to enjoy the outdoors. And then going to the factory and seeing how they're made and just the technology is just amazing.
I think it was really cool to get to meet other people who have Scouts and see how they're using them and what they're for, and then also seeing how they're built.
It's also very impressive how many of you guys that work at Scout are up here tonight camping on your weekend. Like, you guys clearly have a culture and a crew that's pretty embodied in the product that you make. So
yeah, it was very interesting to see the whole factory tour. It's a much larger production than I anticipated. Just the attention to detail in the whole workspace environment. Yeah, it was fun. It was just nice to get together and see everybody's modifications. Everybody likes to put their own little flair on their setup. So,
well, and I think that's kind of the cool thing about the Scout too, is that it kind of encourages a lot of modification and customization and making it your own. And everybody's sort of done that, which is really neat.
People have been fun today. It's nice to see what other modifications everybody's done to theirs, and it's nice because they're not totally set, that you can really personalize it to what works for you, but it's fun to see what other people do and go, I like that, or that might work. How can I change that to what I want and what I need?
I just think it's really cool that Scout's putting on these events, because it's really like, hey, we just want to connect with you guys, show you what we're doing, see what you're doing, kind of talk about it, and there's a culture and a community of outdoor adventure. People from all over, as far as like 1,800 miles away, people from places that I love to visit, doing stuff I love to do, and it's a cool community.